Hey, what's up, man? So we're about to head over to my buddy Ralph's house. We're gonna check out his new wide-body kit he just got. So we're gonna see what's going on with his car. It's a badass Lexus F Sport. So we're gonna take a ride and go check it out. Check this thing out here. Oh yeah.
Just go like this.
So let's just stop for a piece. What year model is this? 2015 RCF. So, buddy Ralph is going to be getting this wide body put on. This thing's beautiful. Get some content for these RCF people. That's how it's kind of going to lay.
Huh?
Yeah, that's how it's going to lay once it's on.
But I gotta take that side skirt and the front flip off so like there's
Oh, just that's going to stick out. Gonna have to change the looks.
Yeah.
Giggity.
Make it a little bigger rope.
That's the other piece, the Rocket Bunny kit. So that'll be the back end of it. See, once they get it and cut it and sealed on, it's gonna look really good. Painted it back into blend. Look at that. Yeah, it's gonna get crazy wide wheels on here. So y'all stay tuned for this. Before and after.
The carbon fiber wing, the big wing is coming on tomorrow. No, actually it's Friday. So it didn't come on.
Nice.
Tight.
Real
That's
good.
gonna be actually one that we need to do a video on now. The big ass wang.
Yeah, we'll have to do a DIY on that.
Drilling the wang into the trunk.
We'll definitely add that to the page as well.
Yeah. What do you think so far? What is this stuff?
Oh yeah, that's good stuff right here. It's gonna look good. We also did the steering wheel in here, but we didn't do the DIY on that.
We need to.
We'll probably get one, redo it for y'all.
I was thinking we could put the stock.
This is the steering wheel we added.
Yeah.
And then here's the stock one that came off of it. Just looks so much better. Even got the car carbon paddles to go with it.
Put all the work.
Carbon fiber mirrors. So I can't wait once this car gets the wide body on. It's gonna be a bad model.
I think it's gonna look sexy.
Watch for the updates for this one. Also got the carbon fiber top.
It's gonna be a lot of carbon. So we're gonna switch out the bears on Friday and do the velvet warm. Actually, the detail, the wing. These.
That's the lip that's gonna go on.
It's gonna go on here. It's gonna make a big row
For the
rocket money.
rocket. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good.